Welcome to Iris Fire Investigations. These videos are provided for the insurance industry, legal community, fellow investigators, and any business that deals with the damage from fire. Our intent is to develop a better understanding of the roles each of us play in the aftermath of structure, vehicle, or wildland fires. The goal of mutual understanding will help all of us improve the service to our respective clients and our industry as a whole. So let's get started. Hi, and welcome to Iris Fire Investigations. In today's video, we're going to talk about heat transfer and the three methods that accomplish it. Heat transfer is classically defined as the transport of heat energy from one point to another caused by a temperature difference between those points. The transfer of heat is a major factor in fires and has an effect on ignition, growth, spread, decay, which is the reduction in energy output, and extinction, or simply put, the fire going out. Heat transfer is also responsible for much of the physical evidence used by investigators to establish the fire's origin and cause. So let's talk about the three modes of heat transfer, and at the end of this video, see if we can simplify these concepts for you. There are three modes of heat transfer, and they are simply conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction takes place within solids and is a form of heat transfer whereby one portion of the object is heated. Energy is transferred from the heated area to the unheated area at a rate that is dependent on the difference in temperature and the thermal conductivity of the material. The thermal conductivity of the material is a measure of the amount of heat that will flow across a unit area with a temperature gradient of 1 degree per unit of length. The second mode of heat transfer is convection. Now, convection takes place in liquids or gases. It is the transfer of heat energy by the movement of those heated liquids or gases from the source of heat to a cooler part of the environment. Now, in most cases, convection will be present in any environment where there are temperature differences. The third and final mode of heat transfer is called radiation. Radiation does not require a medium such as a solid, liquid, or gas. Radiation is a transfer of heat energy from a hot surface or gas, which is referred to as the radiator, to a cooler material called the target. This transfer is done by electromagnetic waves without the need of an intervening medium such as a solid, liquid, or gas. Now, on the surface, this may sound complicated or confusing. However, the three modes of heat transfer can be simply explained in the following analogy. Imagine yourself camping on a cool summer night in the mountains. You've started a campfire as part of your camping experience, and as you stand facing the campfire, you feel the warmth on your face and legs and the cool night air behind you. You are now experiencing radiation. As you place your hands high above the flames, you feel the warmth of the campfire on your hands. You are now experiencing convection. And finally, as you prepare to roast some marshmallows on the fire, you place the marshmallow at the end of a fork and hold the fork in the flames. Now you begin to feel the heat on your fingertips. You remove the fork from the flame and you drop it to the ground as the heat turns into pain in your fingertips. You have now experienced conduction. Well, thanks for listening. I hope this helps. If you have any suggestions for future topics or any questions that we can answer through this video series, please contact us. Thank you.